Want to crack coding interviews faster? Tired of long, confusing solutions? Here, you'll learn smart tricks, bit hacks, and real interview logic. Welcome to Code with Rams. We start with an unsorted array containing numbers from 0 to n, but one number is missing. Our goal is to find it efficiently. Processing index 0. Then XORing value 3. Processing index 1. Then XORing value 0. Processing index 2. Then XORing value 1. Finally, we XOR the last index 3, which doesn't have a corresponding value in the array. All duplicate numbers cancelled each other out. The remaining value is 2, which is the missing number.